Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel Dress Up Ideas. I am here to help you find the perfect wedding dress of your special day. Your wedding day is one of the most important dresses you will ever wear, and it important that you feel confident and beautiful in it with so many style and design to choose for it can be. I am here to give you some idea and information from the Freud ball gown to modern sleek design. There is a mailing list of there too much your personal taste and style. I have put together a collection of different style and classes, elegance, so that everybody can find something that shows here perfectly. Each dress is moved from luxurious fabric such as this details will add touch of glamour to your look and make you feel like true princess on your special day. Well, your dresses is a content piece of your very dull look. Accessories like jewelry and hair piece can take your look to the next level. You can choose for a traditional look or flower for able women with the possibility here and lace, and adding the right accessories will give your dresses personal touch. Is important to remember that running dresses can be expensive, but I have also included some more important that sleek looks stunning. The sky is to kind accessories that make you feel amazing. Very much it's one of the best thing about dresses is that they come in range of size, so every bride can find the perfect fit. If you can find what you are looking for, money designer customization to make your dresses style unique. I hope this video has give you some ideas and inspiration for your wedding dresses. I am so thrilled to dive into one of the most important aspects of any wedding place, choosing the perfect dress for the special day can like a roasting, but fear not. I have very ten a beautiful range idea that will inspire you and help you find the count of your dreams. When it comes to garden dresses, there is a style of every personal taste and pair with you give to world classes designs of something more feminine and furry. There is a dress up theory that will perfectly suit your style for this when to make a ground and feel like statement is the perfect choose. The knot will live every on in all is you will turn the is a idea I am sharing with you have been famous by brightest fashion is will so you can be confident that the air trained and will make you look your special day. Remember, your wedding rest should reflect your personal style and make you feel free to get create creative and have fun with you are choosing. I hope you found this idea helpful. If you have any question or suggestion, please leave a comment down below. Don't forget to hit the like button of your enjoyed the video is it will help me create more content like this. And if you have not already, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications so you won't miss my future video. Your careful selection of dresses that get to style and performance we you learn to a classes look or perfect something more. There is dresses out there that will test for seeking a classes the smiles loving dresses this sets and sounds of details touch of making you feel like a true sleek cheap dresses with modern twist on showing your future will adding on touch of low of you wear who mean you will love the elegant beauty of long dresses with delicate the this dresses are perfect for outdoor wedding tunes of men's stay stand for amazing design on coming. Your dream is out there waiting for you and I am here to guide you every stop of the way. Thank you. I wish you can the field with love and haste. I am absolutely to have here today is we dive into one of the most serial aspects of any wedding, the wedding dress. Your wedding day is on adly one of the most special and memorable day of your life and is a day when you want to excite, confident, and share beauty. The wedding dresses has the power to make all the difference. That is why I am here. I am excited to offer you on inspiration and ideas to finding your dreaming care when embarking on the journey of doing on the first. Thanks to your personal style, whether yourself in the bond than modern sleep.